company. And on this regard, it is our pleasure to present to you our international candidates. Please welcome our lovely ladies. Please clap your hands.
Lovely lady.
Wow.
Okay, candidate, say hi to the panelists. Okay. Okay, we'll start to introduce ourselves, okay? So,
Parang thousand eh. Parang Philippines.
okay, we'll start. Let's start with candidate number 1.
Yo, ST, Vindikinik. My name is Jola Dona. Gutom ako, gutom tayo lahat. I'm from Hungary!
Candidate number 1. Let's welcome candidate number 2. Habari sa Jody, Jiralanggu, ni Ayanway na hindi sa'yo, hindi kanya, ano kaya? Kenya! A nice man by the name Phoebe Chandaghari. Okay, thank you, candidate number 2. This theatrical competition. Will our next candidate read the introduction to our past candidates? Let's listen to our next candidate, number 3. Gaspel Ali, Milford, Dinaford Ali. One way, two way, there's no other way, no way! Okay, wow! That's very competitive. Okay, well, we are down to the last 2 candidates. Let's go on candidate number 4.
That's your watcher now. Sing ka pa, labas ang magic sing, Miss Singapore.
Okay, last but not least, let's all welcome from our very own country, Miss Philippines.
Nakulang sa bigas. Tahanan ng mga magnanap. Kumakuhay.
Okay, so let's give our audience the last look. So please.
At baliktad.
Hindi na lang! Yan po yan! Okay. So we will announce the winner. We will announce the winner. And we have a surprise.
Okay lang.
Okay, syempre may tiebreaker tayo. Hindi mo pwedeng dalawa ang screen. So, syempre, kung panalo kayo sa project, dapat you can brain. Okay? So, we'll have a battle of the brainless. Wow. Okay. Miss Singapore, dito ka? Kay Miss Kenya, dyan ka lang. Okay, question number 1. Tatlong question lang tayo ha, para tie break. Ano ang pambansang hayop ng Pilipinas? Nagsisimula sa letrang K. Teka.
Kabeng?
Hindi. Letter K tama ka, pero hindi kambing. Next clue. Katulong ito ng mga magsasaka sa pagbubungkal ng lupa. Miss Singapore.
Alam ko na. Kutong lupa.
Matapos sagot, kalabaw. Letter K, katulong sa lupa, kalabaw.
Pero ba't sinabi mo yung clue nasa W?
Kasi di ba water
Buffalo?
Aba, social.
Mahina na. Mahina ka. Ano?
Saan mo natutunan niya kay Crayon?
Syempre.
Sige, question number 2. Ano ba yun? Sino ang pumatay kay Magellan? Ang clue, nagsisimula sa LL ang kanyang initial. Singapore.
Dito lapit Junior.
Halika! Ano ka ba? Hindi mo po isili ko lapit Junior. Kanya.
Lito Lapid Senior.
Inuulit-ulit yung pangalan nito. Yes?
Dito lapit.
Mali nga! Maiksi lang, pero inuulit-ulit. Maiksi, inuulit. Nagsisimula sa letter L.
Lot and friends.
Ay nako, mali. Magpakatlong question na lang tayo, ha? Last na to. Pag hindi yung ito nasagot, walang panalo. Okay? So, sino ang pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas? Ang initials ay J. Ons.
Hello.
Yes, Kenya.
Jericho Rosales.
Hindi, doktor to. Ano ba?
Dr. Jericho Rosales.
Patay na to!
With an edge.
Paano to? Ay, walang panalo. Ang tamang sagot, Jose Rizal. Yung superhero. Okay, so let's call on the candidates. Walang dinalo, walang Miss Day today. May pagkasa may mga gusto sumali next year. So I think we have our decisions already. We will not have a winner for Miss Day 2011. Anyway, thank you for watching and Merry
Okay, one more clap for the red team. Okay, the next is the best group in the world.
Try mo ang tagusin mo na yan.
Thank you rin po.
Pasalin ba po yun? Ano? Ano? Okay, yung gold team, medyo hindi kami prepared. Actually, may video kami. Pinambayan namin yung video sa performance namin. So, medyo malaki.